Hi and welcome to part 27. In this video, we talk about practice make perfect. The reason why I put practice and make perfect in this title for this video, Forex is more about practicing. You are thinking Forex is the place where making money and you have to know what is the right skill to cash out the money from the Forex market. There is a quote saying, the harder you practice, the luckier you get. It's usually attributed to the golfing legend Gary Player, although this open to Forex, where the Forex market require more experience because if you go through many types of Forex trading scenario, you will identify the right trading skills that required to make the money from the market. That is a short way to make your skill will be perfect. This is where you can make money or you can acquire more knowledge through the people already know the Forex market. For example, I offering the courses from my experience. The experience I go through from the 20 years experience, I was make it as a book and you can read the book and you can quickly jump from the skip the 10 years learning curve from the Forex market and you can learn quickly from the Forex from the courses I given, because basically Forex move according to the one type of rules, because it won't go against many way. It's only there is only few moment there is a market circulation, but also there is a 90% of the time Forex move it the same way it was already fixed, because it's like a machine. It won't go away from the way we want to do, because Forex market like a railway track, it only move on the railway track it's already settled. That's why most of the time Forex market was work with the fundamental analysis. Technical analysis like a unexpected events. This moment we have to see from the big event. The big event you can see from the monthly, weekly, daily time frame. The monthly, weekly, daily time frame showing the buy trend or uptrend. It means the Forex market will be the market event, or the unexpected event will be favored to the market event. Even it's never break the bottom line of the buy trend. This is another advantage for the Forex trader who are totally depending on the Forex fundamental analysis, technical analysis. The practice is one of the key, but also your experience plus your coach also another key part in the Forex trading, because practice is one of the way you learn from the books, but you have to know the experience. You cannot Google the experience. You see the chart, you manage your emotion, and you know how to manage your money management. Everything will be key part of the successful Forex trading. In my case, I already put in the coaching course for the beginners and expert traders in order to follow some set of rules in order to make money constantly, because you can be a good trader in any way. You have a world best Forex strategy also. If you don't know how to control your emotion or you don't know how to control your money, it will lead to the disaster. I, as a Forex trader, I have been through all the scenario you're selling. If you say you are losing 1 million before from in the Forex trading, I also gone through. But in order to reduce the Forex, that kind of disaster, I already managed and list down what is the mistake I did before, and I eliminate it by literally by putting my discipline in advance. Practice require discipline, because if you only have practice, you are gambling the Forex market, it won't happen. You will lose all the money, because Forex market is more about patience, dedication, and also consistent learning. Even you learn from our 3-month courses, you will see there is a various type of Forex chart pattern will appear, because there is the Forex market have around 100 over chart pattern. The 100 over chart pattern, we will choose the best 10, and in there such as head and shoulder pattern and more there is 10 types of head and shoulder so far identify, and more also we mix with the head and shoulder pattern with the price action, and also supply price action, which is supply demand, and also I fix with the indicator plus Fibonacci. When I mix all together, this practice and my combination of my experience will make my perfect entry point of the forex, because I seen that all the point merging on one trend line, which is the end point will be clearly notified by the price action Fibonacci and so supply zone demand level. This is all is one of the key point to make money in the forex. Practice make perfect, but you have to know in order to your practice the perfection require discipline. If you only gamble the forex and you want to make money in short term, you will wipe out money in any times, because the forex market suddenly move against you, you will wipe out all the money. There is some traders I see so far, there are some traders are making constant money, but they only show the profit ratio, what they're making from the forex, but they never ever reveal what they don't money. The time they lose all the money, they never reveal what the dark side of their losing money, because they also know they are losing money because of the greedy. That's why I'm telling all the beginners and experts, you have to know how to control your emotion, your money management. The best strategy in the world is your money management and you're controlling the feeling. Thank you.